that good?
Oh, that's awesome.
Alright, it's already rolling. You don't have to press anything. Just...
Yeah, you gotta clear that a little. So I can put this underwater, bud? Yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Oh, that's awesome.
You ready?
It's just so heavy.
How do you know if you're getting it? I guess you don't, eh? You're just guessing? You're just guessing? There's no viewfinder, right?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Go again. I can dive.
Yep, you can dive.
Woo.
That's nice, eh? Isn't this like the best swimming hole ever? No, I got it. Just a sec, Sam. It's pretty deep.
I guess I kind of took it down.
You coming in? Well, just have a look down. You see how the rock comes out just a little bit? You just have to clear that and you're good. Over here. That's all right, eh?
I'll take it back up.
Okay. Why don't you climb up? I'll get you climbing up. This is like, it's all natural, but it's the perfect. Yeah.